I am presenting here the topic macrolide, which is useful for B Form 6 semester in pharmacology subject BP 602T. Introduction. What is macrolide? The macrolides are a group of antibiotic produced by various strains and streptomyces and having a macrolides ring structure like to one or more sugars. They act by inhibiting protein synthesis, especially by blocking the 5S ribosomal subunits. They are broad spectrum antibiotics. Example: erythromycin, azithromycin and clarithromycin. Sources: these are produced by Streptomyces species. The macrolides are group of closely related compounds characterized by a macrocyclic lactone rings, usually containing 14 to 16 atoms, to which deoxy sugars are attached. These antibiotics are bacteriostatics in nature and act by inhibiting protein synthesis of bacteria. These are obtained mainly from certain actinomyces genus such as Streptomyces. Two prototypes drugs: erythromycins, which consist of two sugars moieties attached to a 14-atom lactone rings. Classification of macrolides: erythromycin, roxithromycin, clarithromycin and azithromycin. Now, mechanism actions of macrolides: inhibits protein synthesis by reversibly binding to the 50S ribosomal subunit, suppresses of RNA dependent protein synthesis by inhibition of translocated of messenger RNA. Macrolide antibiotics do so by binding reversibly to the V side of the 5S subunit of the bacterial ribosomes. This actions is considered to be bacteriostatics. Macrolides are actively conserved within leukocyte and thus are transported into the site of infection. Typically bacteriostatic activity: bactericidal at high concentrations against very susceptible organism. And antimicrobial spectrum: it is narrow spectrum, includes mostly gram positive and gram negative, a few gram negative bacteria, and overlaps considerably with that of a penicillin G. Bacterial resistance: methylation of a guanine residues on ribosomal RNA leads to lower affinity to bind macrolides. An active efflux system: presence of plasmid associated erythromyces esterase. Clarithromycin and azithromycin show cross resistance with erythromycin, but telithromycin can be effective against macrolide resistance organism. Lack of cell wall permeability to macrolides is the reason why gram negative bacteria are resistant to antibacterial effect of this agent. Pharmacokinetics of macrolides: first is absorption. Erythromycins variable absorption food may decrease the absorption, which destroy by gastric acid. Enteric coated esterase and ester salts more acid stable. Clarithromycin acid stable and well absorbed regardless of presence of food. Azithromycin acid stable, food decrease absorption of capsule. Distribution: extensive tissues and cellular distribution. Clarithromycin and azithromycin with extensive penetration. No blood-brain barrier, as erythromycin accumulated in the fluid and also in macrophages. Azithromycin accumulated in neutrophils, macrophages. Fibroblast has a large volume of distribution, a longest half-life greater than 14 hours. metabolism and biotransformation via liver, elimination and excretion. Clarithromycin is a macrolide partially eliminated by the kidney. 18% of parent and all metabolism hepatically eliminated. Now of macrolides are removed during hemodialysis. Administration and fate of macrolide antibiotics. Erythromycin and azithromycin are primarily concentrated and excreted through while as active drugs. Adverse effects of macrolide: gastrointestinal effect, nausea, vomiting, diarrhea occasionally. Oral administration: gastrointestinal intolerance, which is due to a direct stimulation of a gut moiety, is the most common reason of discontinuing erythromycin and substituting another antibiotic. Liver toxicity: erythromycins, particularly the acetylase, can produce acute cholestatic hepatitis, fever, jaundice, impaired fever fraction, probably as a hypersensitivity reactions. Macrolides get deposit in perilymph and causes ototoxicity. Other allergy reactions include fever and rashes. Now, jaundice, reversible hearing losses, mild allergy reactions. Drug interactions of macrolides: erythromycin metabolized can inhibit cytochrome P450 enzymes and thus increased the serum concentrations of numerous during including oral anticoagulant, cytoaspirin, methyl prednisols. Erythromycin increase serum concentrations of oral diagnosis while increase its viability. Therapeutic use of erythromycin: the upper part of the respiratory tract infection, soft tissue gram positive infections. Adverse effect: drug reactions, nausea, vomiting, abdominal pain, diarrhea, hepatitis, rashes, allergy reactions. Clinical applications of clarithromycin: it is used to treat respiratory tract infections, skin structures infections due to susceptible organism, to prevent or treatment of MAC infections, to eradicate of H. pylori associated with peptic ulcer disease. Azithromycin is an azide, are types of macrolide antibiotics. It works by decreasing the production of protein, thereby stopping bacterial growth. Azithromycin was discovered in 1918 by Fleva and approved for medical use in 1988. It is on the World Health Organization list of essential medicines. It is available as a generic medication. Therapeutic use of azithromycin: it has an excreted spectrum compared to erythromycin. It has a higher activity against Mycoplasma pneumonia and Toxoplasma gondii. It is among the most common bacterial infections of human, often a foodborne illness. Can cause infections of the respiratory system, middle ear, central nerve systems. It is used to acute bacterial infection, single dose treatment to treat non-ganglial infections. Prevention of treatment of MAC infections in patients with advanced HIV. Adverse reactions: abdominal pain, nausea, vomiting, skin rashes. Thank you.